Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important guys because I'm gonna tell you about the secret AI tool which will help you to convert any images into 3D animation video guys. Yes guys, I'm not joking, and that would be totally free of cost. So this video is going to be very interesting guys. So let's start the video. Firstly guys, you will have to open your Google Chrome and you will have to search LeiaPix converter. Then you will have to open this website and this kind of interface will come guys. So here firstly you will have to log in. After logged in, you will have to upload any images. So click on upload and select the image guys. So suppose I selected the one image. So let's see how they create. See guys, I had just uploaded one image and see they have created a 3D animation video guys. See, you can see it. So now how you can download it from here. So click on save button. After that, this kind of interface will come guys. So you'll have to just click on mp4 and click save and it will be downloaded guys. See guys, it got downloaded. So let me show you some examples I have already created guys. So see guys, this is all this was the image, and this was the result guys. See guys, how beautifully they have converted it. Suppose this is the cow image, and now this is my 3D animation video, which I converted with the help of this AI tool. See guys, how beautifully they just convert 2 to 3 seconds of video, guys. This is my image, and this is my video, guys. So why this kind of video? Where it is helpful? Actually guys, this kind of video is very helpful for YouTubers, whoever is making YouTube video, and they usually put it the images in their video. So if they put it this kind of videos rather than images for 2 or 3 seconds of videos, so that will look more fascinating than if they put it the images. So if they put it the videos, that will be very fascinating, and that will look attractive. So that was all guys. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. All the best.